MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking sunny side up eggs in the air fryer. So what we need is eggs and seasonings. I'll just use salt and pepper. And we also need a cooking spray so they don't stick to the pan. And we need a small frying pan that fits inside the air fryer. So first I'm going to spray this frying pan with a non-stick cooking spray. And as an alternative to spray, you can also brush it with vegetable oil. And now let's crack eggs in a pan. I'm just going to crack 2 eggs. And now sprinkle eggs with salt and pepper. And now let's put this pan with eggs in the air fryer basket. So I'll take out the air fryer basket and carefully lower the pan. And now I'll put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 5 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these eggs. They look amazing. Now air fryers differ, so if yours are not cooked to your liking, just put them back in the air fryer for another minute or 2 minutes if you need to, so just cook until they're ready. Now they're cooked perfectly to my liking, so let me just take them out. Here we go. Looks so good. Now let's try it. Look at that. So the egg white is perfectly cooked and the yolk is still runny, just how I like it. Delicious. See how easy it was to make sunny side up eggs in the air fryer? You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!